Welcome to our channel. Setting up emergency contacts on your iPhone ensures first responders can reach your loved ones in case of emergency. Here's a quick guide to configure this important feature. Step 1. Open the Health app on your iPhone. This app has a white icon with a red heart and comes pre-installed on all iPhones. Step 2. Tap on your profile picture or initials in the top right corner of the Health app. This opens your health profile settings. Step 3. Scroll down and tap on Medical ID. This is where you can add emergency information that's accessible from your lock screen. Step 4. Tap Edit in the top right corner to modify your medical ID information. If you haven't created one yet, tap Create Medical ID. Step 5. Scroll down to the Emergency Contacts section. Tap Add Emergency Contact to begin adding people who should be notified in emergencies. Step 6. Select a contact from your iPhone's contacts list. You can add multiple emergency contacts, typically family members or close friends. Step 7. Choose the relationship for each emergency contact, such as mother, father, spouse, partner, or friend. This helps first responders understand your connections. Step 8. Enable Show when locked at the top of your medical ID settings. This allows emergency services to access your medical ID and emergency contacts from your lock screen. Step 9. Add any important medical information such as allergies, medical conditions, or blood type that emergency responders should know. Step 10. Tap Done to save your emergency contacts. To access medical ID from lock screen, press the side button 5 times, or tap Emergency, then Medical ID on the emergency call screen. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.